Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have something very rare and very unique. This is the 2016 Volkswagen Toureg Luxe TDI. Has a 3-liter diesel 6-cylinder putting out right about 250 horsepower, and get this, 406 pound-feet of torque. This thing is a torque monster. And the best part about this, you might be looking at it saying, wow, it's in great shape. It is 15,000 miles. I mean, look at this thing. Just pull that right out. Like so, and then you can have one big cup holder if you so choose. Ta-da! You know, the 2 cup holders and stuff like that. Pretty neat idea. Nice panoramic sunroof. Seats are comfortable. Refrigerated glove box. This thing is amazing. Put into sport mode. The Toureg has since been replaced by the Atlas, but it was the same concept back in the day of being Volkswagen's full-size SUV. The torque is just absolutely insane. This is on par, torque-wise, or actually really close, to the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Not the Trackhawk, just the SRT with the 392. That says something. This thing is just... Back in the day, this was equivalent to, like, you know, not a Bentayga, but your Audis and stuff like that. This is what it was, and can't believe this car's pretty much 5 years old. And it looks this good. It's actually to the point where our dealership owner might buy this car. He was very interested in it. Wow. The amount of torque is just sensational. All of the torque is under 3,000 RPM. So occasionally I'll find myself using manual mode because the engine shifts too high in a way, whereas like the full real brute acceleration force is below 3,000 RPM. Well, maybe 3,500. But when it revs out to over 4,000, it doesn't need to. That's why some of these big semi-trucks only redline at 3,000 RPM. They don't need to go any higher than that. All the power's down low. Brake pedal feels great. See, that's what I can't get over, is just the power, the torque. I cannot get over this car. This is something very, very special. And it's a shame that because of everything that happened with these, that they're not making TDI Touregs anymore, or a TDI Atlas. Because if an Atlas adds this power plant, maybe adds a little bit more torque, it would fly off the shelves. Frankly, I foresee this selling in a week. First person that test drives it is gonna buy it. All in all, what a car. I can't complain at all. And it's brand new too. 15,000 miles for a 2016. That's nothing. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.